In this video we will fix api-ms-win-core-libraryloader.dll is missing while upgrading to Windows 10. So let's begin. To avoid libraryloader.dll error while upgrading to Windows 10, what you have to do is just go to your this PC. In here open local disk C. In here just go to your Windows. In here scroll down below and search for system32. Here we have system32, just go and open it. In here at the top just go and search for wimg. And here we have results, just go and copy this wimg api.dll. Just go and copy it. And here go back to your local disk C. And here you can see Windows 10 upgrade folder. Just go and open it. In here just right click it and paste it and replace the file in the destination. Now just go and try to open the executable file for updating Windows 10. Hope the problem will be solved. If you still have any issue, you can comment below. I will try to answer that. But before you go, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.